Sustainable and regenerative agriculture at its root is about trying to work within and model the natural ecology. Our whole operation, all our products rely on grass. My name is Tyler Eaton, and we're here at our farm called Blue Pepper Farm. The farm was definitely the brainchild and baby of my wife, Shannon. We both kind of came into food and farming at similar times from different directions, and then we've been growing a farm as we grew our family. Our farm started out kind of just thinking about meat. We were doing chickens and sheep for meat. And then we started looking at the dairy aspect, and if we did dairy, that means we'd have both the meat, better sheepskins, we would also have wool, and then we would have the dairy side of things. So with the same amount of grass, the same amount of acreage, and the same number of animals, we drastically increased our revenue, which helped it make not just environmental sustainable sense, but financial sense as well for our business. But our big concerns are how do we deal with variable rainfall? Last year we had 6 weeks with no rain. So we think about what are ways we can add more organic matter? How can we get our soils in our field to retain more water, hold on to that water, and be able to be more drought resistant, more heat resistant?